Hello YouTube, I'm back again. This is a follow-up video on the last one I made about the location of the battery in the Cadillac CTS. Like I said, the last video said the battery was in the back, but if you ever run into a problem and you have to jump start that vehicle, I'm gonna show you where you jump started that underneath the hood, and you don't try to jump it in the back because it's not safe to jump that battery back there. Let's see. What I'm gonna do now is I'll go ahead and show you where it's at. Okay, we're back. It's not that difficult or not that hard to find. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and point it out to you. On the driver's side, you're gonna see a red cap and it's got a plus on it. To jump your vehicle or to give somebody else a jump, you have to remove the cap, take the cap off, and there's going to be a stud right here. And this is for your positive cable, by the way. Positive jumper cable hooks here, and you take the negative jumper cable and you hook it to a solid ground. This bar right here that's going across here, you can just clamp it onto this screw right here. The negative black cable here, the positive here. And jump it. And once you finish jumping it off, take the jumper cables back off and put your cap back on. Now, on the safety side, when using jumper cables, if you putting the jumper cables on, you want to put the hot cable, the positive cable up on first, then the negative cable. We're gonna hook the negative cable right here. So when you're removing it, guess what? You take the negative cable off first, and then the positive cable, and then just reinstall your cap. And that's pretty much to jumping it. So don't jump it out of the back, out of the trunk. Jump it from here on a good solid metal ground, which is right here with a bolt. And that should be about it.